Hi friends, I'm OP Singh and you are watching Filmy Buzz with OP. Today we will talk about a raw agent who betrayed India. His name was Ravinder Singh. He was Joint Secretary in RAW. The whole story is he was posted in 1990 in Damascus and Hague, where he was honey trapped by a CIA lady officer. She was honey trapped and he became a mole of Central Intelligence Agency, CIA. You may be knowing there are different intelligence agencies in the world like CIA of USA, KGB of Russia, RAW India, ISI Pakistan, Mossad Israel. So these agencies, what they are trying to honey trap the agent of other countries so that they can get all the important information against those countries. And this is what happened with Ravinder Singh. In 1990s, he became a mole. And when he came back to India after foreign posting, he was under monitoring. The RAW was monitoring his activities. RAW has wired his house, offices, and his all activities were monitored. House was wired. It was learned that he was collecting information from different sources in India, from his fellow spies, and just passing it to CIA. It was confirmed. They were confirmed about his activity and they were knowing that he is a mole of CIA. Ravinder Singh was frequently going to Nepal, maybe to meet his handler there, CIA operative, Mr. David Volkan, or maybe collecting money. It was also learned that CIA officers were sending money or giving personally the payment, making the payment to their children at USA. They were studying there. Their children were studying there and Ravinder Singh's sister was there and they were living with her. After 4 months of surveillance, Ravinder Singh was tipped off that news is tightening around him and CIA played an important role in his escape. When Ravinder Singh came to know that he is being watched and he is being monitored, he planned the escape. On the wee hours of 1st May 2004, he, with the help of his friend, escaped from Delhi in his friend's car. He and his wife both. They went to Nepal by car, where they met to David Volkan, the CIA agent. The CIA agent made a mistake. Upon investigation, RAW came to know that the hotel was booked by David Volkan on his own name and the address was given of the embassy of USA. David Volkan also arranged 2 passports. Rajpal Prasad Sharma was the new name of Ravinder Singh and his wife's name was in the passport was Deepa Kumari. And both fled from Nepal. Went to Washington. Ravinder Singh was under impression that he will be treated like a guest in USA, but his dream shattered when he was at the end of 2004 he was dumped. When CIA saw that he is of no use, they stopped their payment. They stopped giving him paychecks and his condition was very, very bad. Once Ravinder Singh escaped from India, The forensic examination of his two laptops revealed that he has shipped almost 20,000 files to CIA headquarters, Langley, Virginia. Ravinder Singh was in a very bad condition. He was repenting for his act. He was not getting a job. He also applied for political asylum in the name of Surinder Singh. But Raw later came to know that Surinder Singh was none other than Ravinder Singh. His request was turned down by the court. Then he applied in higher court, where the higher court asked the lower court to review his application. Raw found that he is in Maryland in 2016 and he was killed in a road accident at Maryland. That was a tragic end of a traitor agent, an agent who betrayed his own motherland for money, and last time he was having a burden of sin that he betrayed his motherland. Ravinder Singh died in a road accident, and it was a nightmare for Raw. They don't want to remember him. There are many other agents. I will come with their stories later. Friends, if you like this episode, please subscribe it. Subscription means nothing. You have just to subscribe so that you get our notification as soon as I publish any video. Okay, like and share. Thanks for watching.